Welcome to Get Outside, where we make it easier for you to get outdoors and live your best life. Today, we're going to talk about Horsetooth Rock Trail, Fort Collins' most famous hiking spot. I'll also be sharing a delicious, mouth-watering recipe for Nutella Banana Melt that I ate at the top of Horsetooth Rock Trail. So stick around for the summit snack portion of the show, and with that, let's get started.
So new. Freedom! It's all for you.
If the fact that the parking lot has a webcam doesn't tell you anything, that I'm going to tell you right now, Horsetooth Rock is a popular hike. Horsetooth is easily one of Fort Collins' most famous hiking spots, with multiple trails and great views for that obnoxious selfie that your friend, or maybe you, are wanting to take. Horsetooth Rock Trail itself has about 1,300 feet of elevation gain from the trailhead to the top and about 2.1 miles one way. I would rate this hike as moderate difficulty simply because of that elevation gain, but also that scramble there at the end to get to the top just adds a little bit of extra challenge. The hike is dog friendly, and as in any Lori State Park, it's about $9 for a day pass for your car to get into the parking lot. And as I said before, the hike is popular, so come super early. I've gone up there before, not even that late, maybe 10 or 11, and there was already a line, there were no parking spots, and cars were just waiting outside. And once you get into the park, it's about 2 to 3 hours from the trailhead to the top and back. So plan for about that much time. And that even includes like a little bit of time to enjoy the view from the incredible 360-degree vista at the top. So how would I rate this hike? Honestly, it's not my favorite one. Now, it's a must-do. It's Horsetooth Rock Trail, which, again, one of the most famous spots in all of Fort Collins. So you got to do it at least once, but even though the view is incredible and the hike is great, it's so crowded. There are so many people. So I recommend folks try it once, but then check out all of the other amazing spots at Poudre Canyon and other awesome but less popular hikes in Lori State Park. When you hit up Horsetooth Rock, let me know your thoughts in the comments below. I'd love to hear more about what you thought of the hike. And be sure to hit that bell and that subscribe button so you can stay tuned and find out more ways to get outside. Now for the most delicious part of the show, summit snacks. Ba-dum-bum, doo-doo, 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 ba-dum-bum, doo-doo, doo-doo.